past bankruptcy or foreclosure feels like a permanent door closing on your dreams, but it is actually just a temporary speed bump on your way to homeownership. Most people are shocked to discover that you can qualify for a government-backed FA loan just 2 years after a Chapter 7 discharge. If you are a veteran looking to use a VA loan, that waiting period is also typically only 2 years, which is much shorter than most people realize. The key to a successful comeback is showing the lenders that you have maintained perfect payment history on every single bill since your credit event. During your waiting period, you should focus on keeping your credit card balances low and avoiding any new late payments to prove you are a responsible borrower. Conventional loans usually require a longer 4-year wait, but even that time flies by when you are actively preparing your finances and saving your down payment. We specialize in helping people navigate these tricky situations because we believe everyone deserves a second chance at building wealth through real estate. Visit changemyrates.com today so we can look at your specific timeline and build a roadmap that gets you back into a home of your own.